right, it's going in with 285/50 22s. Two 85/50 22s. See what it looks like coming out, right? All right, so this is what it looks like with these Trail Blade LT 285/55 22s. See the tread pattern. These are Aturo's Mud and Snow MTS, I believe they are. So I did have 285/50 22s on here, grapplers G2s, and this is what I went with because they were half the price right now. We'll see how they last. Yeah, so the 22-inch. Way different tire than what was on here before. I believe they're a ½ inch. The 50 versus 55 is ½ inch difference. So I just drove it around. I don't see any rub marks on the dirt at all. So, yeah. So the grapplers, the original tires that were on this were like $500 a piece. These were like $280, I believe. So, a little aggressive tire. We'll see how long they last on the highway and stuff. All right.